William,
Sabi lang.
sabi.
Okay lang.
William, kumusta yung first game mo sa Magnolia?
Nag-a-adjust pa rin. Siyempre, first game, new team, so adjustment period.
Pero so far, ano yung mostly, yung surroundings ngayon sa Magnolia?
Okay naman, positive naman kami. I mean, it's a test eh. So, it's never gonna be easy if we want to achieve something great. So, it's a test for us.
William, nung na-announce yung trade, ano ba, aware ka na before or nagulat ka? Ano bang
Kinausap din naman ako ni coach. So, may heads up naman nung nangyari yung trade.
William na pressure ka first game for Magnolia, Manila Classic order.
Hindi naman. Like what I said before, for me, it's just another game. Pero the difference lang is, syempre, new team. So, bagong mga players, coaches. So, syempre, iba din yung role ko. So, then I have to adjust talaga. So, and then I have to trust kung ano maging decisions ng coaches.
William, how do you feel that you're reunited with Xavier Lucero?
Masaya naman. I mean, we've been together for a while lang eh. Di ba? Parang one conference lang ba? So, okay naman.
Hirap ba mag-adjust? Just a week ago, nasa Northport ka and then suddenly, eto, naglalaro ka sa mga.
Kinda. Like what I said earlier, hindi naman it's both positive and negative whenever there's something new, di ba? So, positive na, syempre, better team, competitive. Pero, I have to adjust talaga.
William, itong Magnolia kasi talagang usually contender sila yung laging nasa semi, sa finals, laging considered as title contender. Does that excite you? Yung prospect na yun na yung contender.
Ano? Sorry.
Does that excite you na yung Magnolia contender, may chance ka to win a championship? Yung
Yeah,
mga
of
ganun.
course. Siyempre, I'm used to winning ever since from college pa lang, San Beda, Ateneo, palaging na championship team. And then, yeah, it's not, for me, it's another game. It's just another game. No pressure. Why do I have to pressure myself, diba? So, just keep it simple, just have fun, do what I do best. So, yun.
William,